Well. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. Brutally honest, you want the real deal, you want the exposure, you want me to be humble and totally lay it on the line, give you every fact, open everything up, answer every question, be completely transparent, say as it is. Well, you've come to the right place. We're only going to harbour on this for a short while. We're going to move on to investing again very shortly. Very shortly. But this morning, Sensei went live, talking about an online influencer, Jake Claver, about his insane, wild predictions. They are just predictions at the end of the day. Sensei decided to try to educate, help support our members, our viewers, give you a different perspective, hopefully help people, except so many just don't get it and want to tune in and call Sensei horrible and an idiot and wrong and so on and so forth. That's fine. But let me just clarify everything, bring it all in perspective and tell you exactly how this game actually works. Full disclosure. When people keep saying online, this is not financial advice, it's stupid. I will call it as it is. It's stupid and it's a lack of understanding the legal ramifications of YouTube and just about every other legal aspect. Saying this is not financial advice becomes an overused, pointless, stupid thing because if you read the small print of the terms and conditions of YouTube, this is public broadcast. You're able to share your opinions on anything. It's absolutely fine. You don't need to spend every waking moment somehow clarifying yourself by saying this is not financial advice, with my baseball cap on or my hat on or sitting in my bedroom. Suddenly you are now a lawyer. Absolute berserk, bonkers. All right? You hear this all the time. It's not financial advice. Who the hell cares? It doesn't even matter. We like to say it because it emphasizes what we're doing, but people overuse it as if it's a requirement. And it isn't a requirement. Let's get that out of the way. Second of all, how do people end up on social media? How does this whole game start and who benefits, who loses? What's the point of all of this? Well, let's be absolutely clear. Me and everybody else watching and everybody else creating, we're all the same. We're all human. We're flawed, we're egotistical, a lot of us are liars, we all lie about something, no one really tells you everything, we're selfish, it's human behavior. Every day I do my very, very best to be the opposite of that, but I'm probably guilty. I try my best and every day I check myself. It's why I go live all the time, so I can be checked, I can be verified, I can talk to you in the chat. I'll answer every question. Now, someone or several of you in Sensei's last show says you've never replied to me. Absolutely nonsense. Let me tell you what it says in our membership offer. I reply to everyone. Do you know the pains I have gone to stand by that? For 4 years, I have replied to every single member's question. Every single one. Now, I don't know if other YouTubers have done the same, but I'd be surprised because I'm live up to 12 hours a day, and then I spend another few hours before I go to bed answering all the comments. There's not enough hours in a 24-hour span, unless I'm going to sleep, not sleep at all, to answer any more. I answer everyone. Now then, if you're going, no, you haven't, it's your lack of your understanding is not a call for action to me. Let me explain to you. I promise to answer every single member's question. So if you reply to a comment, if you comment to a video or a live stream, not in the chat, not in the live chat, but a comment under the video or under the live stream once this is processed, what I do is I filter. We have it set so it doesn't just post every single comment straight away. Why? Because it's full of spammers and bots and people just going, buy this, buy that. And we don't want to be promoting scammers and trolls and bots. We want a healthy conversation. So I hold back every single comment. It says hold all comments. Then what I do is I go into the comment section and I filter by members. And I post every member, good, bad, ugly, doesn't matter. So if you're a member and you want to call me an idiot, that's fine. I post every single member's comment. At least now I don't have the bots. Okay, so I post everyone. And then I select the filter. So now I've got posted. It's gone from held to posted. So it's all the members' comments. Posted, unreplied, members. I then reply to every single comment. And I've done that for 4 years. I don't think many people can say that, but I can say it. And if for some reason, star guest on the show, just 1 second, we allow all members, anyone to chat on the show.
At David T9H3L donated $10 through a super chat. I've been on many channels and never got a reply. Every comment or question, you and Sini, I replied.
There you go. Every single one. You don't, so anyway, if however you think I haven't replied, that's because you don't know how to find the comment or you don't understand YouTube. The lack of your knowledge is not a problem for me. It's your problem to solve. I have replied. If you then reply to me, I don't see that because I can't filter and then filter a filter. If you wish to then reply back to me, do a fresh comment. Oh, he's just trying to get clicks and comments. No, I am not. I don't earn any money from you commenting. This is a complete myth. It's a complete myth. It doesn't make a difference to me. In fact, it's just work, but I enjoy it. So if you comment back, it doesn't make the video explode because everyone comments. People that say that haven't got a clue what they're talking about. It's because they don't know what they're talking about. They make something up. Oh, well, if you comment and like and it promotes the video. It doesn't. If you like and comment, it will show you the content in the future, more than likely, because YouTube go, okay, you've engaged in this as long as you've watched it. But it doesn't make a difference to me whether you comment or like. So if you then do another comment, I will reply to that comment. And I don't speak for Sensei. It's not Sensei's obligation to reply to every comment. Sensei doesn't. Absolutely doesn't. 100%. He doesn't. Never has. He will reply to some. The ones he wants, ones on his show, whatever. I reply to every single comment. Have done for 4 years and always will do. I also promised, and I do all these promises and declarations to always emphasize the transparency, honesty, integrity of the show. It's why we do all these things, to show you where we come from, okay? I have said the membership that we have on this channel, and it's only there to support the live stream because we wouldn't make any money on the events. We don't just make videos, viral videos. We go live all day, every day. These things don't make money. The only way we survive is with memberships. So I, out of thanks and respect and appreciation, and again, I don't think anyone does this, but I don't know that for a fact, I have said the memberships will never go up in price. Ever. And anyone who is a member at the beginning will tell you the memberships have never increased in price. And in fact, they've gone down in price because I don't even add inflation. Never increase it, never change it. Never have and never will. I've got forget what the number is now, 1,200 members right at the moment, somewhere in that region. If I increase the membership by $1 a month, just $1, I would make an extra $1,200 a month, thereabouts. It's a lot of money, right? But I don't do it because it's about integrity, honesty, and transparency to my audience. Now, this is another important point. Where do YouTubers come from? I make the statement every day that I'm not a YouTuber. A lot of people don't understand it. They go, of course you're a YouTuber. You are on YouTube. No, I'm not. I broadcast on YouTube, but I am not a YouTuber. I do not follow any of the principles that YouTubers follow. I am here live with my real money, all my money, transparent all day, every day. No one's ever done. I don't know any channel that sits here up to 12 hours a day, made a commitment over 15 years to become the first 1 billion channel in the world by going live. We beat Mr. Beast to 100,000 subscribers half a year faster without any sensationalistic videos, all going live. Yes, we have videos, but we're live all day, every day. Now, the reason why I'm not a YouTuber and that whole ethos of being a YouTuber is because I've already had and understood what fame and fortune is. It's not being on YouTube. Others that make up stupid stories and go live on YouTube suddenly go, oh my God, I'm famous. Look at me, I'm important. Everybody wants to have a voice. I just like to talk to people and help people. Why? Because this is the real me. This is my Las Vegas show. These are my showgirls. I hired the British Philharmonic Orchestra, musicians from the most famous orchestra in the world. I have played the most famous venues in the world. I have toured with the greatest entertainers in the world. Here is me doing Freddie Mercury's Don't Stop Me Now with showgirls, a Vegas show with an orchestra all over the world for 40 years. I left home at 16. I've been an entertainer all my life. I've had one job, worked for myself all my life, and been able to be successful myself doing the same thing. And now here I am again, entertaining the same. I'm an investor. I take my money and I invest it. I socialize with the most powerful, successful, rich, intelligent people in the world. I talk to the Bank of America, Robin Hood, friends at Ripple, all over the place, Mark Cuban, Jerry Jones, billionaires. I didn't get famous on YouTube. So people are on YouTube essentially, and I'll call it out, idiots. A lot of them, unqualified. There's no qualifications. You can go on and say what the hell you like. You can do what the hell you like. Anyone makes up anything. And because we are influenced by what's on the telly, and if you add that to money and greed, everybody gets completely and utterly carried away. And people believe anything. And people can say anything, and people will buy into it. And how do you judge what's real and what's not? Well, if you discover this channel, knowing my history, my godfather was Kenny Baker, the man inside the robot, R2-D2, hence the name Martyn Lucas, you will know that I don't need fame and fortune. I had it over 40 years. I'm now here to help you. COVID started this show because COVID shut my tour down. I was on tour to do $1 million gig at the American Airlines Stadium and raise $1 million in one night for the Lions Club. It stopped it. So I built the studio and decided to go live and do this instead, because of just the way it worked. So there you go. That's who I am. That's what I do. That's where I come from. Now, what you're looking at on the screen, right, is my real money, my real portfolio. I even share my bank account live on the show. There's literally $10 in my Bank of America and £10 in my Lloyd's account in England. I share that on the screen. I answer every question. I have beaten, year to date, the S&P 500 alone with no options and no shorts, 42%. I should win a bloody Oscar. I've beaten Berkshire Hathaway, I've beaten Bitcoin, I beat the S&P. Why? Am I smarter than anyone else? Nope. Do I know more than anyone else? Nope. So how have I done it? I know what the smartest people know. The difference is everybody wants to sell something. They like money. I couldn't care less about money. I just like the game of winning. I always win. I always get it done. I always hit my target because I never give up. It's not how hard you can punch. It's how much you can take. And I will keep going and I will keep going and I am relentless because I like to do what's right. And by doing what's right, I win and I win and I win. I never, ever, ever stop. I'm not here to sell videos. If I was, I'd make a video, post it. I'm not here to sell training programs and courses and give me your money, custodian, send me money. No, I don't need it. I make money from investing. Why would anyone pay for a training course when the very people that are selling you the training course don't share with you their real trades and their real investments? And because I make money investing and a successful business, I don't need to sell training courses, even though I'm probably more qualified to sell training courses than anybody else, because I win and I talk to the people that matter. But I don't. I choose not to. I choose to just do what I do, made my promise to always be live, never increase prices, never including inflation, answer every question, show you everything. I'm just here to help you. If you don't understand that, I understand. You don't understand that because we live in a cynical world. Every few months, we give away a star prize. We're now giving away $2,000 on our show. Only 2 people have claimed all the tickets. Only 580 people have taken part in the giveaway. Why is that? Because most people online, on X, on YouTube, don't even believe it's real. They'll listen to people talking absolute nonsense because it makes them feel good. I am literally giving you my own money because I actually make real money. And only 2 people have claimed all the tickets, and 500 out of 100,000, nearly 107,000 now, have even entered the competition. Now, I want to be clear. Someone just said, I think someone said, he's perfect. I'm not sure they're referring to me or anyone else. I make mistakes every single day. I have assembled a team, Sensei, Vaz, and soon to be Casey. And we have meetings every day. And we criticize and critique each other every day. If I'm wrong, Sensei will tell me I'm wrong. I make mistakes. I will say I'm sorry. If XRP, and we believe in XRP, this is obviously the subject of today because of what went on the previous show. I believe in the technology of XRP, and I believe more so actually in Ripple. But I don't believe in the nonsense that YouTubers who want to get famous, who've got no ounce of credibility, talk absolute bloody nonsense, make up stories because of lack of knowledge, and yes, stupidity, with the very aim, look at me, I'm getting rich and famous, how clever am I? Do you know how easy it is to make a trending video when you could talk nonsense? It's easy. I choose not to do it. That's why there are only 391 people watching right now. That's all. If I said XRP, I had evidence that XRP was going to $1,000 today, there would be 10,000 people watching. We've done it before, not saying a crazy thing like that, but there's been some big statements that we've had evidence of, and we've done it. 10,000 people. I'm not going to do it because it's not true. And when it's true, I'll tell you. When it's not, it's not. But I have never lost on my trades. 94 trades, 91 wins. And a couple of times I haven't, I've explained why. And in fact, I've got more to add. I keep forgetting to do it. I'm way over 100. I've never lost. I only lost at the beginning. Now, when I started investing, I made mistake after mistake after mistake. I learned, though. Mark Cuban said, Martin, you're like a sponge. Everything soaks in. It does. I learn and I learn from my mistakes. And I keep making mistakes, but I'm like an AI robot. Every time I make a mistake, I learn from it. I don't learn from successes. I learn from mistake. I'm looking for the next mistake. Sensei will tell you that I'm always prepared to take a challenge. On Wednesday, we are doing an event, the FOMC report, and we're doing 2 at the same time. Because I want to see what happens. Now, I could be greedy. I could be greedy because I pay Sensei. I employ Sensei on this channel. And I could go live all on my own. And the FOMC report will have thousands of watching. Probably 26, 30,000. We often rank number 1 in the world for it. Maybe 40,000, actually. However, I have said Sensei go live at the same time. Why? Because Sensei will give a different perspective to me. So our audience has a choice. I could earn less money. I could get all the 40,000 to watch me. You can't all watch me and Sensei at the same time, can you? I'm providing what I believe is the best service. Because I believe if you give people the best service, money takes care of itself. Could I test that theory for a moment? There's 411 people watching. Can everyone tap the like button? So far, we have 71 likes and 8 downlikes. I'm sure these are fans of Jake. I hope you're not a fan of mine. I don't want you to be a fan of mine. I want you to be a friend and a family member, a Lucasade of mine. I don't want fans. Fans means fanatic. You don't want fanatics. Certainly not in the investment space. Fanatics are fine for an entertainer, musician. You're fanatical about music, but don't be fanatical about investing. There's a reason why I keep winning and don't lose. I've got no options, no shorts, 42.5% up on the S&P year to date. That's my position. Because I buy with conviction, I buy undervalue, I don't listen to what idiots say. Now, how do you know what is an idiot? Well, do they have something to sell or an incentive to encourage them one way or the other? Now, I'm not perfect. However, I have resisted every single offer from sponsorship. Every single one. The only person currently sponsoring our show is a member of our show, a viewer, for $99, not the 30 grand I get offered all the time from crypto projects. So look at someone. Are they asking you to do anything? Do they have people that are trying to rip people off? Do you know how many people every day I have to block on Discord, X, other social media who pretend to be me? They use my name, they use my logo, but they cannot use my username. And they all do one thing in common: message you and tell you something. I never message you, ever. The only way you can communicate with me is join me on Discord and you can talk with me directly. And I don't mean the free plan. If you join on Discord, this is what it looks like. And we have to have a paywall. $2.99. You don't have to. I don't need you to join me to make money on my portfolio. All right. This is Discord. We have to have this here, join server, because it's how Discord works. Discord doesn't care, just wants everyone to join its bloody platform. We don't want that. So if you click this, we kick you out. It's what it's called on Discord, not being rude. It says here, you must click purchase. You must click this. No one ever reads it. No one ever reads it. I get hundreds every day. Never read. People are stupid. They don't read. Click there. Purchase. Now, is that to make me rich? No. I've only got 199 subscribers. I kick people out every day. I don't want trolls. I don't want bots. I just want people that want to invest, that want to talk with our community and not bugger and mess around. So if you want that, that's there. That's the only way you can talk to me. If you, or liven the show, or comment below a video, of course, but that's not a one-on-one conversation. So there you go. So today, Sensei decided to cover, it's very unlike Sensei to do it actually, to cover an event, to cover what's being said online by idiots. He wouldn't say it. He said, I'm not going to call people idiots. I will, because if you behave like an idiot and you are self-inflated ego from YouTube and you think you're famous on YouTube because you're not famous, and I'll prove this to you because there was a famous story of a young girl, 16 years old, and she was on TikTok and she had like 1 million followers and she hired a venue to see how many people would turn up for her autograph. And she had all these souvenirs and all these things. She was going to sign autographs. She thought she was Michael Jackson or Elvis Presley. How many people turned up? Zero. How many people would turn up for 99% of YouTubers that think they're somebody? Zero. People do not follow you. How many people came to our conventions? When we had, I think, 1,000 subscribers, we had 14 people come to our UK, was it 14? I think it was 14 come to our UK convention. We hired a hotel and 14 people. Some came across the world. We were in the UK, we had America and Italians. 14, only 14, but we had 1,000 or some 1,000 subscribers, something like that. I can guarantee you, if we did a convention, and we did another one. Was it last year? 2 years ago? I can't remember now. We did another one near Dallas, and we had a similar audience. I know, actually, it was a bit less than that. I think it was, hang on, it was Stephen Lewandowski, Zach Zate, 4. Is it 4 or 5? 4 or 5. Wasn't that many. You're not famous because you're on YouTube. But I guarantee if we did one now at the right time, we'd have a good audience. But that's not the point. The point is, when I was an entertainer and I was doing theatres, I could sell thousands of tickets. Millions of people saw my show who travelled all across the world to see it. So fame on YouTube is nothing. Be respectful and appreciative of the audience that give you their time every day. And don't get above yourself thinking you're superior and you're important, because you're not important. You are privileged. I am absolutely privileged to be able to start my day every day by talking to 76 countries live. You have a responsibility to be real and honest and be a decent person. You're not judged by how much money you've got. You are judged by how many people attend your funeral or how many people join you live every day who share your life. No one is here because I have $280,000 or whatever. They're here because they're part of a community. They're not here because of me, because I have the best face or the best voice or the best information. They're here because they're part of something bigger than themselves. They're here to be part of a community. So if you have, and you are privileged to have a community online that watch you, respect it, appreciate it, applaud it, and be humble about it. Yes, I laugh and joke. And I do all sorts of silly things to have some fun with you. Calling people idiots has become my trademark. Calling people stupid has become my trademark. It's all a bit of entertainment. It's all a bit of fun. However, it's true. It's true. Anyway, we've got 5 minutes before the bell goes. We now want to focus on investing. I do not want to talk about Jake Claver anymore. These people all make up stuff, all selling stuff, all rubbish, all nonsense, don't know what fame is, haven't got a clue, think they're bigger than they are, complete bloody waste of space. If you want to go and watch it, go and watch it. I couldn't care less. But later on today, if we have any more Jake Claver in the chat, I am going to ban the word in my settings so you can't even say it because I'm sick of it. Sensei's sick of it. I'm sick of it, but we had to address it because it's getting out of control. People are literally believing that they can make $10,000 in 5 seconds. Absolute nonsense. And I talk to the financial experts every day, and this whole carry trade has absolutely nothing to do with XRP. But stupid, desperate people who want to feel have got their own ego so far up their backsides, want to inflate themselves, tell the whole world we're going to get rich in 5 minutes. You are an idiot. And you are an idiot if you watch it. If you subscribe and you like and you follow idiots, then you are an idiot. And you need to stop being an idiot. And if you want to continue being an idiot, fill my boots. I couldn't care less. I'll be honest with you. I do care. I say I don't care, but I do. I do get upset by it. My wife keeps saying that. She says, you keep saying you don't care, but you do. You do care. You do get upset. Yeah, I do. So when I say I don't care, that's a bit of bravado. All right? I do care, but I can't fix it. I can't do nothing. There's nothing I can do. I wish I could. And this is why I believe, and I know, we'll be the first 1 billion channel in the world. Because I'm going to be live all day, every day. I'm going to answer every question. I'm going to be accountable. I'm going to keep winning. I'm going to do what's right. And we'll be the first 1 billion channel in the world. I'm not going to waste any more time on this nonsense. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to, on purpose, get you to unsubscribe. On purpose, get you to not follow me. Oops, star guest. Let's have a look.
At Potato Family 3958 donated $1.99 through a super chat. A member calls honestly and facts. My first chat.
Thank you very much, Potato Family. Thank you so much indeed for that. We're going to switch to members only. Not because I need you to become a member. I appreciate it. It's how we live. But I want to answer every comment and every question as we ring the bell. We're about to ring the bell. We're about to focus on the markets. I've got analysis live streams to do today. You've asked me to do about 20 stocks. We're going to do about 20 stocks, go through all the businesses, analyze them properly. And let me tell you, I'll be absolutely clear. These people know what they're doing. And they're doing it, and they love doing it. They know what they're doing. They're not stupid. They're just stupidly stupid. All right? There's no point to it. If you think money is everything, of course, and ripping people off is important, maybe they do. I don't know. Anyway, let's move on. No more Jake. We're going to ring the bell. I'm going to answer every single question. We're going to do analysis videos, and I've got members only. So I don't need you to watch. I don't need you to be a member. I don't need you to subscribe. I don't sell it. I'm not selling a training program. You don't send me your money. I won't hold your custodian of your crypto for you. I'm just here to help. Take it or leave it. All right, let's go.
Again, this
let's
is
ring
all
the bell.
Public. The last offer that we submitted to the board, the equity, the $41 billion, was fully backstopped by the Ellison family and Redbird Capital Partners. We had debt commitments from Bank of America, Citi, and Apollo, for the full $54 billion.
The bell was gone. Let's have a look.
Claim is just categorically false. It's fiction.
And does it go back to
Coca-Cola going down. Lovely. Let's start off by buying Coca-Cola. Let's get ready to go. 69.68. Here we go. I want to buy. My average is 70 now. Cash 403846 4038 4,000 Coca-Cola. Buy $4,000 Coca-Cola. There we go. Order completed. Average is now under 70 bucks. That's what I wanted. It's now 17% of my portfolio. Let's go to my Roth IRA. What's my percentage over here? 10%. We'll take it to 20%. SGov. $5,000. Sell my treasury bill. Completed. Coca-Cola trade. Buy $5,000. Coca-Cola bought. The average is now there, 21%. That's the right balance. Okay, back to the main portfolio. S&P is fine, Coca-Cola is fine. Right, we'll keep watching that and we'll buy some more if necessary. Let's go for our portfolio. So we're buying on the way down now. Coca-Cola, marvellous. The S&P is up but pulling back. Wait for a bigger crash. Much bigger, actually. Hasn't even started yet. Virgin Galactic up 1.62. Palantir up. 1,000 times earnings. Bonkers. Ridiculous. Stupid. Gold up today, 0.19. Amazon going down, 0.16. Apple up 0.26. Enphase Energy is down 0.26. This is one of my top picks for the year to go to $100. Coca-Cola now 69.52. Keep on falling. We're loving it, loving it, loving it. It's the Costa Coffee deal that freaked everybody out. It's great. An opportunity to buy. And I'll keep buying. We're down 0.5%. We'll let it go a bit lower. J&J up 0.15. And then I'll use tax lots to trim, by the way. That's how I'll do it. And I'll keep lowering my average. So I'll bring it back into balance. Chevron oil down. Tesla down 1.42. McDonald's down 0.19. Google going down today. Microsoft up 0.76. Meta down 0.32. Nvidia up 1.69. Lovely stuff. Walmart defensive going down. Everyone's selling to buy tech today. That's great. That enables me to get a better price. Rocket Lab too expensive. Plug Power just manipulation. Bitcoin going nowhere at the moment, up 0.35. You'll have everybody telling you in a minute. It's pumping. Up 0.28. XRP up 1.4. Same story. We like XRP, by the way, just don't like all the nonsense. All right, there we go. Let's go back to our positions and see if we can improve on this further. No, we're starting to come up now, 69.70. We just bought at... Oh, so we managed to get in at 69.74. 69.74. So what we're going to do is on the way up, we will sell the ones higher. We'll use lots to sell the ones at 69.90 and 70 and keep the ones lower, rebalancing our portfolio. We won't pay any tax. We won't lose any money. We'll just use lots to do that. So, all right. So that's what we're looking to do. Keep buying on the way down and then sell the lots, swap them back. So we take the ones back to the shop, what we paid for them. We don't pay any taxes. We don't lose any money. We just keep improving our position, keeping our portfolio in balance and all the time gaining more at lower prices. It's very easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. So all we got to do is let it bounce back up again, sell the ones higher. It's very, very simple strategy. It never loses. It's just basic fundamentals once you've identified a good business. So we've just bought, our lowest price now is 69.74. So what we want to do, we want to sell the shares. We want to sell our shares at 70.04. So if I show you a few more, 70.04. Yeah, we want to sell. December the 5th, I bought at 70.08 as well. All right, so we want to set. So what I'll do, I'll show you. What I'll do is this. I'll show you exactly how I'm going to do this. See, now I come back up again. So we go trade, sell, and we go tax lots. You can't sell today's tax lots. You have to wait a day. Sell tax lots, sell tax lots. You can't do today's where we know, right? And then what we do, so these are the ones for today, all right? And the ones at the bottom, the 70.08, we want to sell those. We want to sell those, and we will bounce back to 70.08. Absolutely. I'll show you the way around. There we go. The ones at the bottom, we want to keep those. Absolutely want to keep those. Those are lower. But now we've got a slightly overweight position. So what we want to do is when we go back to 70.08, and we will, all right, we can sell some of those. That reduces our allocation to Coca-Cola, allows us to bring the portfolio back into balance. We won't lose any money. We won't pay any taxes. We'll simply sell for a wash. All right. And that way we gain control of our portfolio, and then we can buy more on the way down. So once you've identified a great business, and I want to buy Coca-Cola because it's only being sold because everyone's now buying tech, running a run into the Santa Rally before it all sells off. So that's why it's being used as a cash bank. And then, of course, the Costa Coffee deal is just eluding retail investors. They don't have a clue what's going on, so they're seeing it go down, so they're selling it. They don't understand what they're doing. So I am buying it on the way down, and then as it pops up, I sell the higher lot, swap them out, and that way I can make sure I'm not over allocated all in one stock. But this is how I make money consistently. This is how I don't lose money ever. All right. So anyway, please tap the like button. Today is the most hated video we've ever done. All right. We've got 159 likes and 22 down likes. That's Jake Claver's fan club, the Fanatics. So good. Hopefully they've unsubscribed. Hopefully they won't watch anymore, and we can get back to focusing on the real value of XRP for our members. We don't want 1 million people watching us like they watch idiots. We don't want it. So please unsubscribe. Please unfollow. Please downlike. It makes no odds to me whatsoever. All right. In fact, I hope you do it. All right. Okay. So we are watching this now. Can we buy any more? Now we're slowly nudging in. Let me come back to my main portfolio. Oh, yeah, that's because I can't share on the screen. I understand, Robinhood. Yes. Right, let me bring that up here. So we're going down now. We're down a small amount, 0.5%. Our S&P is fine. We've got plenty. Our allocation now is 31%. Is in, or 32%, should round that up, 32% in the S&P, that's good, we've got plenty to buy more. We've got 50% still in cash equivalents, so we've got plenty of money, so we're making money, but we are holding it there. Coca-Cola is falling a bit lower. We've now got a lower average. We're under $70 now, which is nice. So when we go above the 70, we'll trim those, and if we continue to fall, we'll continue to buy more, and we'll increase. We'll get heavier and heavier into it as we go lower. All right. Now then, what I'm going to do now is I said to you I would answer all questions today. So let's go over now to members only comments. Everybody else, you're not welcome. Market open in seconds. Yes, we covered it. Don't forget about the bell. Terry Rose, Chris, how you doing? Thanks for the piece. Absolutely. Any talk about the market right now? Bistow, can you rank the business? Can you rank the business possibly? Gaming, could you repeat that for me? What's the question? We are going to do analysis today. All right, straight after this. It's cool that I'm a member. It's members only mode. Absolutely. Get rid of the flipping idiots. We're not here for it. We don't need it. All right, market is open. Down now. Terry Rose, bell. Yes, thank you guys. Sanity restored. Yes, indeed it is. Bye, says Brian. Absolutely right. Oops, wrong channel. I am buying Coca-Cola, though. Yeah. Oh, you mean buy. Yeah, that's Sensei, isn't it? We all know about that. Wow, buy silver. I don't buy those things. Gold and silver doesn't interest me. I'd buy Coca-Cola if I could now too. Great. Thank you, Liz. Thank you so much indeed. Have to use the washroom. Coffee issues. Have to use the washroom. Coffee issues. You've lost me. Where's Sensei at? Answer me, mate. Where's Sensei? Well, what do you mean, where's Sensei? Sensei was on earlier. Hope you do define an overweight position, please. How do you define an overweight position? Well, I want a balanced portfolio. I don't want 100% Coca-Cola, do I? I want a balanced portfolio, predominantly the S&P. But at the moment, I want to own more cash or cash equivalents with SGov because we're going to crash. The yen carry trade is going to unwind. So and we're going to see crypto go a lot lower. It's not a matter of when. It's not a matter of if. It's a matter of when. So as we start to bounce back up again, I will trim, always bringing my portfolio into balance. Hello, says Sensei. There you go. Ricardo is answering you. Thoughts on the next few days prior to the FOMC report? All right, here we go. Coca-Cola is bouncing back up now. Hopefully I can sell. That'd be great. If we get to 70, 08, 04, I can sell those straight away and we'll be in a very, very, very strong position then. That's exactly what we want to do. Exactly what we want to do. So if that turns green, I'll be there. Here we go. Here we go. If that goes to 70.04, I will sell those 200 at a wash, bring the portfolio back into balance, put them back into SGov, and then if it dips again, we buy more. If it doesn't matter. We've got the position we want. We've got the dividends coming in. We've got the undervalued price, as undervalued as it can be. It'd be great. Absolutely great. 69.83. There we go. Coming up lovely. I want to be ready now. So in fact, what I'll do it. I'll do it right now. Trade, sell. In fact, what's my allocation so far? My allocation, it's my portfolio, it's 17% of my portfolio. I want to have it around about the 20%, but I want it 20% lower, not 20% higher. So I'm still going to reallocate because we are expensive still. So trade, sell, shares, tax lots. Okay, tax lots. There we go. So the 70.08. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select that. That'll be 13 grand. I don't want to sell that much. I've got 42. How much have I got? I got 42 grand in Coca-Cola. It's 17% of my portfolio. 42,000. See that here? 42,000 with an average now of 69.98. The average will drop very quickly. The average will come down if I sell some 13 grand. That will still leave me. Oh, I could do all of that. I can do all of that. That would be a good idea. That would be a very nice idea. So 69.98. I think I'll do that. I think I'll do that. So here we go. So 69.98 is currently my average. I want to sell 200 shares at 70.08. 70.08. All right. Now we can sell it for a profit if we want, but we don't want to pay any more tax this year. Not looking for a profit. I'm just looking to swap it out and keeping the ones lower. That's all I'm looking to do. So 70.08. At the moment, I would lose $33. We're not doing that. We don't want to do that, do we? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this and limit order. What was the price again? Sell. Selling tax lots. Just remind myself what was the number. The number was 7008. 7008. So we're going to click that and we're going to go done, and we're going to do a limit order. We're going to do a limit order, and we're going to do 70.08. There you go. I'm going to sell for 70.08. One lot, 200 shares, 14 grand back in my portfolio. Thank you very much. There we go. I will put this in the, you can't use that. You can use that. Okay, I should put it as a permanent trade. Done. There you go. So there you go, 7008. So you understand what I'm doing? I'm taking those stocks back to the shop and getting a refund and going, I liked it better at 69.50, whatever it was. All right. $200, review, swipe it up. We're now in play. We're now in play. This is how I always make money. This is how I always make money, and I don't lose money. I don't pay tax more than necessary. You're going to pay tax. I make money. I earn money on YouTube. I make money trading and investing. So you got to pay some tax, right? Life ain't free. But what we'll do now is we'll watch, and you will see, there's my limit sell. It's 17%, 69.98. So watch this now. If this happens, we've got 8 cents to go. You'll see it happen live now, and you'll see my portfolio trim. So if we can do it live on the show, it'd be pretty cool to watch. 70, here we go, 8 cents. 8 cents. Come on, live on the show, 8 cents. My portfolio will dramatically improve. There we go. Look, I'm at, my average is 69.98. It will drop to probably 69.90, or maybe even lower than that actually. 69.98 at the moment. All right. We're now today we're making money. Today's return, total return, we're making money. That's all we want. We just want to consistently win. We're not trying to, we're not trying to amplify our gains and get stupid and carried away. And we're not trying to guess. We're not gambling. We're not speculating. We're not, come on, we're not buying nonsense. We're buying a business that is oversold due to cost of coffee, a misunderstanding, and a defensive play, which you want to be in, but you don't want to be overweight. 8 more cents. This is a masterclass, folks, on how to make money consistently and don't pay tax. Don't lose money. 3 cents to go live on the show. Live on the show. 1 cent to go. 69.98. 69.98. Come on. 2 more cents. 69.98. Watch my average drop. 69.98. Come on. Come on. Come on. 1 more cent. We're at 70.08 right now. Come on. Come on. Come on. It's sold. It's sold. What? 69.92. My average has dropped from 98 to 69.92. There you go. That is masterclass and how to do it. Never lose money. We're in the green. We've got a lower average. We've got a position of $28,000. We've got no margin. We've got no options. We've got no shorts. We haven't lost money. We've built a position. We haven't paid tax. We've lowered our average. We've improved our situation. Now, if it goes lower, I've got more money in the pot to buy it. If I go back over here, you will now see in my cash, I now have $14,000 in addition to where I was before. So I'm now up on Coca-Cola. I'm up on Coca-Cola. I'm making money, pay no tax, pay no losses, and that is how you do it. Right, now what I can do, because the S&P is being sold off, I can do the same thing on the other side of the coin. Growth, defensive. Now people are buying back Coca-Cola. I can now buy back the S&P because that's being sold. So let's do it again. We want to end up more in Coca-Cola at this. I've got The S&P now is 630. It's below my average. It's below my average. I've protected myself on Coca-Cola. I've still got a very good defensive play. So now what I can do is 630. It's a little dip. Is it much? Not really. I've got 33%. There's going to be volatility between now and Wednesday. Let's wait a little bit longer. Let's see if we can get a bigger dip. And you'll see now my overall position will be green once again. Folks, this is not rocket science. You don't need to guess. You don't need to speculate. You don't need to lose money on crypto or anything like that. You can consistently make profit. Look at my portfolio. Look at my portfolio. 285.5 is an all-time high. 285.453. We're just off an all-time high. And my prediction is we'll be at an all-time high again in the next few seconds. Shall we see if I'm right? 285, was it 5? So here we go. This could be another new all-time high today. All right, keep your eye on that. It's not hard to make money. In fact, it's easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. I've now got 0.25% up now on my Coca-Cola. Now, some of you would say, why did you sell? Why did you sell? You think Coca-Cola is going to $80? Yes, I do. You sold at 70.08. It's now 70.12. You'd have made more money. I'm bringing it into balance. I've got 12% in Coca-Cola. That's plenty. Thank you very much. That's plenty. 28 grand is not nothing, is it? I'm making money. I've made $73 now in 24 hours, plus the dividends payout in February. I'm very, very happy with that position. Don't need to worry about it anymore. Right. Is the S&P cheap enough? It's a bit under my price. I could buy some because I've freed up money out of Coca-Cola now. I could buy some. I do think we're going down 40% when we get the carry trade. Doesn't mean to say I have to be out of the market though. I can buy all the way down and then do the same lot selling on the way up. All right. Let's see what we can get here today. The S&P is falling. Hey, time to go shopping on my favorite position, the S&P 500. VU, how do you do? So let's watch this now. 630.30, 630.65. We'll just keep watching. We're doing great now on our Coca-Cola. Absolutely awesome stuff. Let it run. Let it run to $80. It doesn't matter. And I hope it goes to 68. I don't need to retire today. I want to get more and I want to swap it out again. So if it drops down to 68, 67, 65, I don't know. Doesn't matter. Anywhere around here is good on the situation that we're in. The S&P is now going up again. It looks like now we're going to be another all-time high. 285.4. Not quite there. We're going to get close to an all-time high. We are going to hit an all-time high. Anyway, another one. Right. Well, we wait for the S&P to rally or drop. It doesn't matter. Let's go to comments. Here we go. Can I use tax lots in the UK? Some companies call it tax lots. Others just call it lots. As long as you have lots, select the right lot to sell. Don't just sell blindly. Don't just click buy blindly. Don't click sell blindly. Use limit orders wherever possible. And you choose your lots. Most trading platforms use lots. However, if you want Robinhood USA and Robinhood UK, there it is in the chat. Click on my referral. I'm not sponsored by them. I refuse to be sponsored by Robinhood. I simply get a share for showing you as you get a share for doing it. All right? So there you go. A free share of Robinhood UK and in the US. And any day now, we're going to get ISAs in the UK. Hopefully, you should be able to buy VU in the UK. How exciting will that be? All right, my Coca-Cola is now rallying. Very, very nice indeed. Oh, we got a star guest.
Has become a member. Debt Cycle 2026, what do you think?
Sorry, that was too quiet. I'll repeat that. I had my volume turned down. I'll do that again. We had a star guest give me a comment. If you are a member or a super chat, we regard that as a star guest. You replay that again.
I can't believe this.
I can.
Admatua team has become a member. Debt Cycle 2026, what do you think?
Debt cycle. What exactly do you mean by debt cycle? We are in unprecedented amount of debt. We're also 120% over GDP. So we're in a terrible situation in the US. But remember, the economy is not the stock market. They are different. All right? So I need you to clarify what exactly do you mean by that. Are we at another all-time high yet? 2855. Not there yet. Okay. Okay. Hello, Martin and the Lucas A's. JJ 8ball. The business you review. The business you review. Can you rank? Yes. I rank number one for most of the stocks we review. Yes, they act as promotion to the businesses. That's not my intention, of course, but it is the case because we do rank number one for nearly everything we talk about. Yeah. Thank you, David Hensley. What do you think about NPLX? I don't know. I've not looked at it. Look how bad Procter & Gamble has done. I've not looked at that recently. Good morning, Susan Swatford. Need a little red to nibble a bit. Just got a really bit of Coca-Cola. Congratulations to you, Liz. Take your time. Wait for it. Jake Cloud. Oh, not mention this again. Is a neighbor of Martin based in Digital Ascension Group. Yes, in Dallas, just down the road from me. Yeah. P&G shocking this year. Here we go. Toll down. I told everyone to take their profit from vertical aerospace. I did. Told everybody to do it. Went on the record telling you, take the profit. Is this an auction? Go on. That's what I'm talking about. Sold to the bold man in the green room. I'm not actually bald. I shave it. If I actually grew it, there is hair there. I just prefer to be shaven. Brian, hello, Zach, you here. Lovely. Haha Ninja. My travel time this Friday. One of my months of the year. You said 40% for the S&P. Yeah. I'm all my gains this year have been made on the S&P, and if I go to my year to date, whoops a daisy, 43%. 43% on my stocks this year. 43%. And other than the last 24 hours, Coca-Cola, I've been in the S&P. I've made all my money on the S&P 500. Yeah, absolutely. We're going to keep our eye on our three trades. I think that's what we want to do. Okay. Right. Okay. And Red Family. How's everyone been? Motto, celebrate. Thank you for all of that. There was a low rate frenzy where companies bought longer terms set to mature in 26. Maybe the drop will be pushed back a little bit. Motto, I'm not aware of this. If I don't know something, I just say I don't know. I'm not aware of it, don't know. You can have your paycheck going now to your Robinhood banking account. You can now have your paycheck going now to your Robinhood banking account. We don't have a Robinhood bank yet. Have you got it yet? I'm waiting for the Robinhood bank. Do you have the Robinhood bank? I haven't got that yet. Zach, are you telling me you've got the Robinhood bank? I'm still waiting for that. I can't wait for that. You can now have your paycheck going now to your Robinhood banking account. Tell me, have you got that? We tried to get there. Japan is at 250 debt ratio, so maybe USA can too. Let's get there. Well, we are going to get the yen carry trade unwind. It's already doing it. Fly, baby, fly. David, hey, bro, as well. I've been busy as heck, but we are back. Zach say, I saw you. I saw about that, about the paycheck. If you've got the bank account, I haven't got that yet. No, Martin, you said it will go down 40. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. No. Oh, yes, correct. Yes. If we get a full carry trade unwind, yes, the stock market can go down 40%. Crypto, XRP, Bitcoin will be down 90%, 80 to 90%. Absolutely. If that happens. Absolutely. No ifs, ands, buts. No, absolutely right. Yes, Friday. Zach said he got his bank account. Zach, how did you get it? I can't believe it. Damn it. Zach's got something ahead of me again. Zach, how did you get it? Can you tell me how you got it? How do you apply for it? I guess it'll just pop up on my app, but I don't have it right now. Same Martin, I shave my head, full head of hair. If I don't, still call myself bald. Yeah. I just bought Coca-Cola and this is showing. Tax lot orders are currently unavailable for Coca-Cola. Is it because it is too early? I just bought Coca-Cola and this is showing tax lots on orders are currently unavailable. Yes, you can't do tax lots on today's shares. You can. It has to settle, potato. You can do it tomorrow. You can't do it today. You can do it tomorrow. Yes, Friday. Can you do dinner in Dallas, as I might be coming over for the World Cup in June next year? Can I do dinner in Dallas? Yeah, I can do dinner in Dallas. I have RB Bank. Robinhood, is that Robinhood Bank? I have RB Bank. Robinhood Bank, do you? Is that Robinhood Bank? I speak with AI every morning to learn, and we are touching on Ray Dalio's 4-year cycle theory. Very interesting. I got to be something when you are on live. I got to do something when yeah, absolutely. KC, I'm speaking to KC in 1 hour from now. We're having our next screen test, so KC is getting ready. Crypto, hello Bella, welcome back to you, Liz. Thanks, Martin. Download the Robinhood app. It looks the same as download the Robinhood app. It looks like the regular app. What do you mean? What's it called? Just Robinhood? Oh. No. What do you mean download the Robinhood app? I've got the Robinhood app. There's no other app. There's the normal Robinhood app. There's the Robinhood wallet. I've got that. There's a Robinhood credit card. Download the Robinhood app. It looks like the regular app. I don't see it. I don't see it. I'm signed into the same Play Store as you, Robinhood Bank. No. No. There's no Robinhood Bank. I don't see it. Are you making this stuff up? Are you making this stuff up, Zach Zeit? Have you got a different Play State, a different app store than everybody else? I don't see it. I wonder if it rolled out in location, like it's not in Texas. I don't have it. Honestly, I don't have it. Good morning. I don't get a tax lot option in my Roth. No, you don't have it in your Roth. You can't because there's no tax on Roths. There's no lot option on Roths, right? It doesn't work that way. I'm $3 down on my stock. Can someone tell me how to get out of this nightmare? Should I hedge with gold? Bitcoin's are you down? I'm down 3. Well, we don't know what stock you're on. Do you want to call in live on the show? Do you want to call live on the show? You can call in. Yes, Robinhood Bank. Awesome. I wish I had it. Sounds like he has a Robinhood dodgy app. Yeah, Robinhood fake app. Yeah, Zach Zate just sent all his money to somebody. Robinhood fake app. There's a Robinhood Bank app. There was a notification that popped on my regular when it was available on my account. No way. So obviously, it depends where you are. I wonder if I change my location to California. That's where Zach is. Oh, yeah, but how can you do that on the Play Store, on the App Store? It's just USA. Is there a location thing? I've never heard of that. Is there a location thing? Are people in California getting a different app store than we are in Texas? That's kind of weird, isn't it? The banking account is on the same Robinhood app. The banking account. Yeah, well, I'm looking at it. Let me just go over here a minute. Yeah, I don't see it. You order to sell, you order to buy, you order to sell. Yeah, I mean, it's obviously not available to me yet. Investing. You're always getting things before me. I'm sick of it. I'm sick of it. I'm bloody sick of it. You're always getting things before me, Zach Z. Robinhood Bank app that steals your money. Yeah, I got an email on Friday and signed in. See, I haven't got an email yet. I've got to wait. Got a patience, Zach. Zach is a hacker. I didn't get invited for Robinhood Banking, but I'm on the wait list. I did get an invite for the gold card. Unfortunately, I cannot apply right now due to buying another house. VPN, Martin. Yeah, but in the App Store, it says country. It doesn't say Texas, does it?
I can't believe
I
this.
can't believe it.
At Rob Brennan 123 has become a member.
Rob Brennan. He's got his 1-year badge today. How about it? How about it? Rob Brennan, congratulations, mate. That deserves a big cheer. Thank you very much, mate. 7.6 magnitude near Japan. Tsunami threat. Brian Bynum. Thank you very much for that information. Let me go and check Sky News. See if we've got any information on that. I'll keep my eye on Sky News. Thank you for that, Brian. We can't use Robinhood in Europe. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Here is the Robinhood UK link. If you get that, you can get free shares and the ISAs coming any day now. Martin, you can change a location if you use a VPN. But what I'm saying is, in the App Store, David, there is no Texas or California. It's just the US. So, you know, I'll just wait. I'm not messing my phone up. What am I going to do? You can't use Robinhood in Europe. They banned you from the app, Martin, because you have too much money and will crash the bank. Thanks for the news. Hope not too big. That was awful, wasn't it? Good morning, Martin. Hope as well. Hello, Paula. Paul. How are you? I got, what did Rob Brennan say? I got a new job as a finance manager, so we'll be able to invest $1,500 a month from January. Oh, I tell you what, Rob, we're so pleased to have you back. We know how you struggled with that Virgin Galactic deal, and it's great to have you back in the saddle again, and it really is great. So it's lovely. Even in Germany. Oh, not Germany, no. Oh, what there is, Liz, in Germany, in Europe, there is the Robinhood crypto wallet. There's the Robinhood crypto wallet. That does exist because I've got that as well and others have got that. So yes, you can get the Robinhood crypto wallet. Hope you and Leah are all good. We are now. Thank you very much indeed for asking. I hope you are too. Oh yeah, you're right. My bad. See, David Ensley, you can't just go Texas. You just got to go, anyway, whatever. Right now then, Coca-Cola is doing what we wanted. So what it's doing now, remember, we sold at 70.08 and now it's 69.94. We can buy lower. We can buy back the shares for a lower price, improving our position. And we want to do that, don't we? Right, 69.92. So what we want to do now is we want Coca-Cola to go below 69.92, my average, and I can buy more lower. Would that be great or what? I've got a bloody itchy nose this morning. Right, so here we go. We're falling down again. Anything below 69.92 is an advantage. We've swapped it from 70.08 to 69.92. That's what we want. So, how much cash do we have? We've got all the cash we need. We've got plenty of cash. It's not an issue with cash. Just got to sell some SCUV. Here we go. Right, 14 grand. So basically, I use the 14 grand. Now, does everyone get this now? right? So what we want to do, we want to see Coca-Cola go down. I'm not going to set a limit order. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to wait. And then when it's time to act, I shall act. All right. But anything under 69.92 will be lower my average and getting me, a better deal. So, and then we'll do it again. When it pops up, we sell the higher ones. We keep the lower ones. God, bloody hell, my nose. What's going on? Right. In a VPN, you choose Texas or California. In a VPN, you select what server you want when it's located. Yeah, I don't use VPN though. Don't like them. Didn't we have this discussion before? I'll just wait. I'll have patience. It'll work itself out. I shared my banking on Discord. General chit chat. Oh, general chit chat. Let's have a look. General chit chat. General chit chat. Oh, Robinhood banking. Oh, you lucky sod. Look at this. Look what Zach's got. We all hate Zach. We hate Zach. We hate Zach. Banking balance 0. Don't hate him that much. Don't hate him that much. We hate Zach. I'm only joking. What's the little 6? What's the little 6 next to your Wi-Fi? I've never seen a 6. What's that? What's the little 6? Never seen 6 next to a Wi-Fi. Set up direct deposit. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at it. He just got it. That's why it's 0. He's going, hang on a minute, mate. Give me a second. Give me a second. I'm just hanging. Hang on a minute. I'm just getting it sorted. I'll have some money in there in a minute. I'll show you. Don't you worry. Right. Let me come back to this screen here. Right. I'm going to end this shortly because I'm going to get set up for the analysis live streams. Yes, it's a bit silly with margin last time. No more margin for me, just investing cold, hard cash. Nothing wrong with margin. I use it all the time. You just went a little bit crazy. You went way, way, way over leverage. It was the amount though you did. It was the leverage. Like, what was it like 10x, 100x? It only had to go down 1 cent. Yeah, on it all. In it terrible. We all felt so bad for that. It was horrible. Do you think the market will start dropping before FOMC? It's going to go up and down like a yo-yo, Justin. So you've just got to keep repositioning. You can't predict it. You can't guess. All you can do is what I just did, strategically improve your position. That's all you can do. And if you do that, you'll do all right. Right. Oh, 629. 629. Here we go. The S&P is giving me a discount. Is it much though? It's not a lot, to be fair, but I've only got 33%. 630.65. We're now at 6290. It's not enough yet. I like going for $1 or $2 a share off the S&P to start buying more because we're going to get a bigger dip anyway. So there's no point getting too excited. Now, of course, if I do buy here, I can do the same thing as I did with my Coca-Cola. Buy it down. When it pops up $1, sell it, swap it out. I can do that, but I'm not itching to spend money at the moment on little dips like this. This is, point one, it's great, but it's not what this story's about at the moment. If we can get $1 off, I'll do it. So I'll tell you what I'll do, just for the hell of it. We've got 630.65. So we're getting there. We're nearly $1 off. That's nice. That's nice. Basically, it's like a dividend. 3/4 of a dividend, isn't it? 3/4 of a free dividend. So I'm not gonna put. There's no point. Just keep my eye on it. Keep my eye on the S&P. And if we get an opportunity, we will. Let's go back to comments. Are you considered a day trader? Right. Punky Monkey. Everybody wants to give you a name on YouTube. That's not how it works, right? I'm an investor. I'm a long-term investor because I understand value. I read balance sheets and all that stuff. However, I can scalp trade, I can trim. Because let me tell you, Warren Buffett, you would say, is a long-term investor, right? But he trims, he's got his systems trimming all the time. You're trimming and making adjustments all the time. So nothing wrong with doing that. I'm always happy to trim, realign, rebalance. So yeah, I'll day trade, I'll scalp trade, I'll swing trade. But essentially, I'm a long-term investor. But you shouldn't give yourself a label, to be quite honest with you, because it doesn't mean anything. You know, you're doing the right thing at the right time. Oh my God, Zach. 6G Wi-Fi. 6G, is that what he's got? Bloody hell, Zach. Making us all look bloody stupid, isn't you? Gold dumping. I was thinking about putting some money into copper, given the huge demand for AI electric vehicles. Yeah, I mean, you know, I just don't like commodities though. It's cyclical. You need to trade commodities up and down. Ask Stephen Lewandowski all about that. He'll tell you. I was thinking about that. Are you considered a day trader? How do I trade like you? Are you considered a day trader? Well, I mean, you know, like I said, I'm all these things. The title of the live says, I love XRP Ripple. I just joined Ava. The title of this, what? The title of this. Oh, yeah. I was saying, I just joined. Have I missed something? Yes, you have. Yes, you have. It was a reaction to Sensei's show earlier today. It was quite dramatic. We'll just say that, shall we? All right. Are we down enough yet? A little bit. 629.1. Let's have a look. Not really. No, I'm not going to buy it yet. There's not much point. Martyn, did you check with Mobix CEO regarding the stock going down despite good news? Oh, yes. Let me go and check my phone. I'm going to check my phone for you. Mobix. Mobix. Oh, Phil Sanson. Just replying to him again. This is the CEO of Mobix. There. He hasn't replied. No, I'm just following this up. I'm just sending a fresh message. Okay, so they are asking. Right, I'll just show you. This is a text the CEO of Mobix. This is Phil Sanson. Hi, Phil. My audience would love to hear from you again. They are asking after you, Martyn Lucas. This is a follow-up. Delivered. I'll let you know if it's read. All right. So, yes, we are. I just sent a follow-up message. So, I'll tell you if it's read. Okay. I'll come back to that in a minute. So, the S&P, we're down. No, not worth it yet. I'll keep my eye on that. Thank you for checking. You're very, very welcome. Yes, through my members, you can speak directly to CEOs. We have them on the show, and you can ask them any question you want. Is there somewhere unbiased I can learn for crypto without people bipty bopty triply bang? Yeah, Sensei every morning. You can call into the show. You can be on the show. Those stocks from Robinhood are are new subs. Those stocks from Robinhood are for new subs to Robinhood. Correct? If you have existing accounts, you don't get them. Oh yeah, it's the free shares. Yes, it's when you sign up to Robinhood. If you're already on Robinhood, no. It's if you sign up to Robinhood. Yes. Okay, I tell you what we're going to do. I'm going to end this in a minute because I have to get ready for a day of analysis because we've got the big show on Wednesday, the FOMC report. I want lots of analysis. So before I go, I've got a video call with Casey in 40 minutes. I'm talking with Casey in 40 minutes. We're doing a screen test. So before then, if anyone has a question, a comment, I'm going to give you the opportunity to be on the show. Here is the link. Live video phone in. So if you have a question, a comment, there is the link. You can be on the show. It's members only, of course. We don't let just an idiot just shout and scream at the camera. We're not doing that. If you want to be a member, there's the link. There's the membership link. There's Seeking Alpha and Alpha Spread. There's my X and there's my Instagram to follow me. We've got, I mentioned Discord. Oh, there's the newsletter as well. There's the newsletter if you want that. Okay. So we're all looking, rocking and rolling. So I'm not selling Coca-Cola until we get to $80, or the tide turns where we don't have the worry of a crash. So we're holding our Coca-Cola now. And Vu, how do you do? We can buy more if it goes lower, but not yet. I want to get like maybe a 0.25% down. Then I'll start buying it. Start nibbling a little bit more. But I'm a member and I like to shout and scream. That's all right. You can shout and scream as much as you want, but you're a member. But we're not having idiots doing it. I'm sure you'll have a question and that's fine. All right. Okay. So we'll give it a minute. If nobody wants to call in, we'll end the stream. I'll get ready for my private call with Casey. I'll send you to the extra channel. And I'll get ready for my analysis events. That's coming up later. I've got lots of analysis to do for you. Sorry for the delay. As you all know, people super chatted me before I went on my vacation, but I had to prioritize Leah, as you all know. So there you go. Let's look at XRP. Bitcoin back down again today. No surprise. There's people online telling you that with a carry trade unwind, it's all going to explode. It's rubbish. It's nonsense. It's not going to happen. They're talking absolutely just stupid. They don't. I'm not doing it again. We've done enough of it. But there you go. That's why it's not moving. Defensive positions are going up. That's why I bought Coca-Cola, and I'm right. Again, I'm making money. Again. All right. So there you go. Don't listen to idiots. Nobody want to call in? All right then. Nobody want to call in? Brian, link to the giveaway. Oh, link to the giveaway. Oh yeah. Giving away $2,000. There you go. Link to the giveaway. $2,000 give away. There you go. I don't think anyone's calling in, so I'm going to replace the pin. There you go. I'm not calling in because I'm in my pajamas working from home today. 1970 Buckley. All right, 1970. Right, so we're making really nice money now on Coca-Cola. We're up nearly 1/3% now. We've got a much better average. We're up $90. Paid no tax, no op. It's great. That's what you want, isn't it? That's called investing, folks. Let's go over there. Coca-Cola's going up. Yeah, we're doing great now. We're doing great now. Yeah, we got some money over there as well. So yeah, we're doing really great. I would say we're getting close to an all-time high. Just the S&P, so I need to buy it lower to make money there. So 2855 is our all-time high. So we're just off because of the S&P. So we now want to buy the S&P. We're down. Oh, we're getting close. We're getting close. 630.46. Oh, there we go. There's my dollar. There's my dollar. I can buy. Here we go. Here we go on the S&P. Here we go. Here we go. Here it is, 0.25%. Happy days. $14,000. Vu, how do you do? Oh, lovely. Lovely. Now we do it again. 629. Oh, it's going down. Lovely. 629. 629. 629. 25. Ooh, it's falling really quick. Oh, that's what I want. Oh, lovely. Right. My average is 630.65. Oh, this is great. 628. 630. Yeah, just brought my average down. Lovely. Marvelous. That's what we want. That's what we want. Yeah, my average has just come down. Now I'm only down a quarter. Got 88 grand now. Now we're coming back up again. So that was nice. Now we can do the same thing. We can use lots and sell the ones at 6, whatever it was, 630. We can just do it all over again. So there we go. There is the S&P. 1-4. Oh, this is great, isn't it? Just keep buying. Just keep buying lower. 628. Yeah, now it's come back up again now. So now we're coming back up again. We don't want to buy it on the way up, do we? We don't do that. 37%. 37%. Yep. So a nice position. Nice position. You know, we're okay with that. We're making good money on Coca-Cola. We've improved our position. Our VU is now 37% of our portfolio, which is good. I've just bought in at, these are all lots I can sell tomorrow on the way up. 628.99. Then we'll come back up now. Good. Excellent. And that's how we do that. All right, I've got to go because I've got Casey in half an hour, but this is wonderful. There you go. Business is good. Being able to buy more. I love it. Yeah, P&J. I'll get the pillows for the fight. I love it. Doesn't carry trade unwind mean global liquidity will be constrained a bit, free money running out? It means people will be dumping US equities, including crypto, including a high-risk assets. That's what people don't seem to understand. And all the markets will go down. Crypto could go down 80% if we get a full unwind. People just don't realize how big it is. They focus on stocks and crypto. They don't look at the bonds. They don't look at the broader picture. Crypto is up for me, 365. Congratulations, Bitcoins. Craig, are you doing a closing bell show? Yes, of course. Vu, how do you do go into 622? You don't know. I mean, it's 29 times earnings. I just put out the post last night. It's like bloody ridiculous. For every dollar, you pay $29. Yeah, the S&P 500 is now its highest price like ever, 29 times earnings. The S&P is bonkers. This is why you got to buy on the way down and then trade it up and lower the prices, bring it all into balance. It's not rocket science. All right, here we go. When I last bought VU, how do you do? At, where was it? 628.99. So we're waiting for it to go lower. So 628, we can buy again. And then we'll sell the ones at 630 and so on. And so it goes on and on. Oh my God, I was so fast buying back. Look at EVTOL. Yeah, I'll have a quick look for you. EVTL. EVTL. I hope you all took your profits. Yep, there we go. It's had a great week, 37%. If you haven't taken your profit on that, when will you take your profit on it? That's what I say. Take your profit. Don't leave money on the table. Was I showing that? Yeah. Yeah, there you go. I didn't know if I was showing that. Right. Up 10 whole bucks. Hey, a profit's a profit, mate. Don't put yourself down. Martin, spot on review. Yeah. 29 times earnings. Ridiculous. What made you sell your whole Bitcoin? If you listen to the online crypto gurus, that would have been worth 10 million in a couple of years. I haven't got the time, Rob, to go. I mean, I made a whole hour-long video on it to explain why I sold it. But yeah, it felt rubbish. I didn't feel good owning it. Google's about to 30 PA ratio, so that's crazy for the whole S&P to be similar. Yeah, Warren Buffett bought it at the right time. He read the balance sheet. It's not rocket science, really. We've had a massive run up over everything, 50 to 1,000% in 2025. Yeah, the next high, I will take profit. Thank you. Yeah. Right, I've got to go because I've got to speak to Casey in a minute. Casey, I'm just sending you via text. The link to call in. There you go, Casey. She's got the link now. Costco, what's going on? I don't know. I've not looked at that. The next big high will take profit. Okay, I think we're done. All right. We'll go now to general subscribers. Give everyone the chance to have their say. Subscribers. Here you go. All right. Now anyone can have their say. All right. Let's come out of there. Making good money now on defensive plays. Coca-Cola. I've got 12% of my portfolio there. That's nice. Not too big. Yeah, well, good. We got loads of money. Yeah. We're green again today. Yeah. It's good. Enjoy the day. So this is what we're going to do. Going to end the stream now. I'm going to give you the link to the extra channel. Go and join me over there. I'll replay back what you missed this morning. So let me do that now. If you all missed Sensei's show this morning, I'm going to show you something you probably didn't see. Okay, here's a replay of what you've missed. Whoops-a-daisy. So I'm going to give everyone the link now. Okay, join me on the extra channel. I'm going to talk to Casey in about 25 minutes. I'm looking forward to it. Live now on extra. This is what you missed this morning. With live chat, of course, so live support. Plus, you can talk to me in the studio because you can see me in the studio. Replace the pin. There it is. This is what you're going to see now, what you missed earlier. Okay, I'm in the studio. I'm in that little window, so you can see me in there. You can talk to me directly into the studio. Let me make sure that I've got this directed to that. Next. There you go. Customization. Yeah, that's done. All right, I'm going to end the stream now. And just before we end, day trader of the day and stars of the show. Are you ready? So here we go. Let's do it. Are you up? Are you down? I'm flat. Day trader of the day. I'm flat. There's my score. On your overall portfolio, not one single coin or one single stock. On your overall portfolio, are you up? Are you down? Shake it all about. All right. Let's roll the credits and see who are the stars of the show today. Who is up or down? New members, Motto A-Team and Rob Brennan. Super chats from David and Potato Family. No subscribers. A lot of Jake's fanatical fans unsubscribed. I'm unsubscribing. Good. See you later. But we did get some members and some super chats, so we didn't get any subscribers today. We lost a few, but that's okay. I like to cut out the chaff. Cut out the chaff. Get rid of it. All right, so there you go. Thank you very much indeed. Stars of the show. Motto member Rob Brennan and a super chat from David and Potato Family. All right, there's the stars of today. And let's see who won. So up 0.97. Congratulations. Up 1.26. Flat, said Song for Space. Good morning. Oh, we got some new memberships. 1970 Buckley. This is your best time ever when you win a free membership. Now remember, it's not free. 1970 Buckley has just bought you a membership. How bloody nice is that? She's trying to help you. I can believe it. So go and thank 1970 Buckley. Upgrade to becoming an Electrum member. You can be part of our weekly live quiz. There's going to be more Electrum events. You don't want to miss them. All right, so please thank her as well. She just bought you membership. Wasn't free. She bought you membership. All right.
I can't believe this.
I can believe it. Mork Vet Vlogs. Mahani, welcome to Silver. Looks like he's upgraded to Silver. There you go. One person. The best value is without doubt the Gold member is the best value because you get to spend 1 hour with me and my time is worth like $500 an hour. I can believe it. So you can do that if you want to as well, but Electrum gives you the weekly game show. Shadoop-doo, shooby-doo-wop. Yeah. All right. Trust the process to become a member. Wow, Buckley Bella. Thank you so much indeed. Yeah, please do thank Buckley. 1970 Buckley. It's very, very nice. I do believe it. Andy Rich 9,905 has become a member. Right. I'm out of here. The link is at the top. Join me on Extra. It'll automatically take you there. We've improved our positions. We've not paid any tax. We've not lost any money. We've lowered our averages. We've got a better position. We've got more shares.
I can't believe
We're building
this.
for the future. Scott Nixon. Thank you. I do believe it. All right. That's it from me. I'm now going to have a meeting with Casey. I'll be back shortly for my analysis live streams. We're going to do all your reviews and get ready for Wednesday as well, the FOMC report. That's it from me.
I can't believe this.
I can believe it. M. Henny.
9,253 has become a member.
Thank you very much. Please do. Oh, hang on a minute. We've got another 5. We can't leave. We can't leave. If you tap like and subscribe, you can win a membership. Oh my God. I can't believe it. I do believe it. We got a few more. This was donated to you by Gaming. I'm loving it, loving it, loving it. Gifted 5 memberships. Can you believe it? Can you believe it? I can believe it. Please do thank Gaming. This is not free. Our investors who make money have donated out of their hard-earned money a membership for you to experience
I can't believe this.
The events. Our CEO interviews are all members only. If you are a member, I can reply to all of your comments if you do a comment below a video. You can ask a question directly to a CEO. We interview them on the show. You can call into the show. You can have a free song on the music show on a Friday night. Here is I can't believe it. So there is the music channel, so you can get a free song. Members only live streams, members only videos. There's loads of things. In fact, I'll tell you what we'll do, because we've had so many new members come in. I'll demonstrate. Here he goes. Here we go. Where is it? I'll move over to a members only now.
I can't believe this.
I can believe this. There's an existing redirection, it says. Shall we do it? Members only. Is there any point? I haven't got that much time, have I really? No, I'm going to leave it alone. I'm not going to do it this time because there's no point. I haven't got time to do any members exclusive content, so I might just go.
I can't believe this.
I can believe it. I think I've got one more and then we'll go. I can't believe you keep checking that button, or is it a random sound effect? Is it a random sound effect? No. Every time we get a new member, we honor them. It's what we do. It's the way the show's set up.
I can't believe
there's
this.
our last one. Rob Lung Studios. There you go. I can believe it. Play smash the like button, everybody. Play smash the like button. We got loads of down likes today. I don't care. I do care. Of course I don't, because it means people like, oh, you're saying Jake Clever is wrong. Well, he is. It's the most ridiculous statement in the world. Oh, I don't like you. I like being told XRP is going to be $1,000 tomorrow. Go and watch it then. Then you're just basically an addict. You're just fanatical about rubbish. Go and watch it then. Because now you've unfollowed and unsubscribed. Hopefully you won't be back tomorrow. I love the sound effects, Martin. Thank you, mate. I love it too. Right, I think that's it. We've done it now, did we? Oh, now we're getting a discount on the S&P. Down goes Bitcoin. Oh, there we go. Down goes XRP. Apparently, it was all going to $1,000 by the end of the 5 minutes or something ridiculous. Anyway, look, it's not happening, is it? Anyway, what about Bitcoin? It's even worse. Oh, God. Right, okay. Anyway, well, while that's going on, I'm going to just keep making some money. So, when did I last buy it? 628, so 629. No, it's not cheap enough for me yet. I'll buy some more when it's 0.25% down. I'll let you know on X. If you want to know what I'm buying today, when I'm going to buy Coca-Cola or sell or trim. Oh, star guest. What does this say? Hey, what's this?
At Hovu 4773 donated 9,000 through a super chat.
Don't know what that is. Thank you very much. 9,000. I don't know what that is. It's a blue one, so I think it's 99 cents. So where in the world is that? Where are you from? One man's trash is another man's treasure. Yeah. It does seem that way, doesn't it? All right, there you go. Go and enjoy your trash. All right. If you want to know when I'm buying, when I'm selling. Oh, and I should probably go red. Probably should do that. Here is the... here's my X and Instagram. There you go. Oh, by the way, I'm now ranking. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm now ranking now on Facebook. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. But you can't believe it, can you? I'm now ranking on Facebook. Here you go. Let me give you this. If you want to go and follow me on Facebook, you can. There you go. How about it? How about it? I want to join your Discord to learn something. Discord is my community. It's just so you can talk to me directly. You can have conversations with me. You can talk with me and so on. Please, if you want Discord, do it properly. There's the Discord link. I'll show you here. Look here. Look at here. Look at here. when you join, people never listen. Don't click join server. It tells you it's a premium service. All the scammers, all the bots, they choose this one. They don't even read this. If you want it, it's $2.99. That's as cheap as it can be on Discord. You can't make it any less. I don't believe so anyway. You purchase there and then send me a friend request. Don't accept a friend request from anyone. I don't send them. And we only have 199 people. We have thousands join and I kick them out. You don't believe me? Oh, did I give you my Facebook? Yeah, I did. Look, I'll show you how I do it, right? Look, this is Discord. If I go to, right, members, look at this. Look at all these scammers. They join every day without any roles. Look, there's the premium ones. And they don't listen. I say, don't join. They don't listen. So what do? I do this. I go kick. It doesn't mean I'm being rude. It's just what it's called, right? Kick. I kick them all out because we don't want millions of followers. We just want a few investors we can help. People don't understand that. Why would you not want millions of followers? You can make more money. I don't need the money. I just want a few people that I can help. So if you join the wrong way, we kick you out because we don't want thousands of followers. So what I'm doing now is kicking all these people out. It's something I don't want to do, but I have to do it because I try to keep it as clean as possible. Now, when you join, somebody will pretend to be me and they'll friend request you. Don't accept it. I do try to turn it off every day, but it only allows you to do it every 24 hours. I don't know why we can't just turn it off. But if anyone sends you a friend request, it's not me. I never ask you to do anything. I never try and sell you anything. All right. So let me just kick a few more. I wonder how many there is today. Oh, there you go. Nearly through. I've got 10 minutes before Casey calls, so I might as well carry on. One more. Got to be careful not to kick the real people, ain't I? So if you see anybody on the channel that pretends to be me, look at their profile. You will see their username isn't at Martyn Lucas. It's something else. The logo and the display name will be the same, but the username won't be. They won't have any roles, and they'll friend request you, and they'll say, "Can I con you out of some money?" Not literally, of course, but that's exactly what they do. Right, I think I've got rid of. Oh, there's another one. Okay. Now you can talk to me direct. This is the only way you can have a one-on-one private conversation with me. Can't spend hours talking to you every day. Obviously, there's not enough time. You're only paying $2 a month. So just note, you don't own my life, but I will give you as much time as possible. You will get a response. Right, there we go. Let's refresh it. See if there's any more just popped in. Right, there we go. Let me see. I got a direct message from somebody, or pending. Bitcoins. Oh, you sent me a friend request. Is this you, the real you? So what I do is, let me show you what I get. So there's you, Bitcoins. Is this the real Bitcoins, right? So what I do is I go into here and I go into search, and I want to make sure a friend request is coming from a member. There you go. This is Bitcoins, and I can accept his friend request. Accept, because this is one of our premium members. Accept friend request. There you go. All right. Now you can send me messages. So you now know that this is the real one because he's a friend of mine. Okay. All right. Now you can send me a message and we're all good. Oh, you've done a super sticker. Super stickers don't read out. Huang VO V773. They don't read out. Only super chats read out. Super stickers don't read out. All right. Okay, so we're doing great on Coca-Cola now. We're building a position. The S&P is not down enough. I mean, we're going to get a crash. I think we are. So I'm not rushing to just buy everything with a 1%, 0.5% drop. Right. Okay. I'm going to send you now over to the extra channel. That's it. Morning. Kimberly, you've messaged me on Discord. I haven't forgotten. I'm going to get you that code from Sensei. Just want you to know I haven't forgotten. I saw me. Don't kick Bitcoins. I didn't kick you. I've just accepted your friend request. Oh, it's Vietnamese. Vietnamese. Hello, Vietnam. Hello, Have I got time? Have I got time? Hang on. Vietnamese. Vietnamese. I love it. Vietnamese. Here we go. Let's do this. You ready? Hello, our guest from Vietnam. Thank you for joining us. It's wonderful to have you here. We go live up to 12 hours a day. The aim is to help people, support people, and be the most honest, real channel on YouTube TV. I have had the pleasure to have visited Vietnam. It's a wonderful country, wonderful cuisine and countryside. Thank you for being here. Welcome to you and your fellow countrymen.
Xin chào vị khách của chúng tôi đến từ Việt Nam. Cảm ơn bạn đã tham gia cùng chúng tôi. Thật tuyệt vời khi có bạn ở đây. Chúng tôi sẽ phát sóng trực tiếp tới 12 giờ một ngày. Mục đích là giúp mọi người hỗ trợ lẫn nhau và là kênh trung thực nhất trên YouTube TV. Tôi đã có vinh dự được đến thăm Việt Nam. Đây là một đất nước tuyệt vời, ẩm thực và nông thôn tuyệt vời. Cảm ơn bạn đã đến đây. Chào mừng bạn và những người đồng hương của bạn.
There we go. How wonderful was that to be able to speak to somebody in Vietnamese? That's the best I can do, folks. I hope you like that. Thank you very much. Consider becoming a member of our channel, and then you can do all the wonderful things our members can do. All right, Saab is here, one of our dear friends. He's coming up to his 2-year badge. He's got his 1-year badge. It's lovely to have Saab in the show. One of our very knowledgeable, actually, crypto investors. He likes XRP, but unlike the bloody idiots who talk nonsense about it, he understands what it is and he's holding and building a position. But it's a difficult place to be in right now because, let's be honest, if you're an XRP, you've had a wasted year. In fact, you're down 20% this year. It's been a tough year for investors in XRP, but I believe that Saab will still be in. But it's been tough because you've seen what's available. I mean, year to date on the S&P, I've made 40% this year by buying with conviction. So it's tough. 40% on the S&P. I've 4x'd the average of the S&P this year by buying with conviction. Anyway, I wish you all the best. Saab, it's great to have you here. We've started to buy back and improve our position on Coca-Cola, and we're now nibbling in on the S&P again. Here we go again. Here we go again. Just before I end the stream, maybe another trade using tax lots. 629 is my lowest price now. So, right on the button, I could buy more at this level. It didn't pop up to the 630, so I've not been able to sell it back the higher lots and swap them out. But if we can get 629 flat on the dollar, then we'll buy more at 629 flat. All right, and then we'll sell this ones at 630. We're improving our position. We've got a lot of money available. We've only got 37% of our portfolio allocated now to the S&P. All right, we're holding some SGov T-bills. We're earning money there. We're making free money all the time, as you can see. 120 grand available there. 200, nearly 300 grand in margin. Got lots of money to buy, but we're not buying it yet. The S&P is not where it needs to be. We're 29 times earnings. So if it drops, every dollar it drops, I buy another piece of it, and then I sell the higher one, swap them out. Constantly do that. All the time do that. All right. So there we go. Thank you, Martin. Love to you and Leah. Thank you. Thank you for the membership. Did you win one? Congratulations. Walker wonders why. Hi all. Walker, hello. Yes, sir. Still an XRP, Martin. Oh, congratulations, mate. But I got to say, and I, want the best for my members. If the carry trade goes the way we expect it, and it's already happening just before Christmas. If it does fully unwind, I think it's the 19th of December, the S&P, worst case scenario, 40%. That means crypto will go down 80, 90%. This is not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. It's happening already. So be very careful. If you can use tax lots on crypto, exactly the same as you can with stocks and shares. Absolutely the same. So in a couple of seconds, Casey is going to call in. Casey, call into the live show. And then I'm going to end the call. But I'm going to have another screen test with Casey. And hopefully we're going to have her on the show very soon now. All right? These things take time. Carry trade is long overdue, yet 29 times earnings now. It's getting pretty mental. So here we go. Another 67 cents and I'll buy $10,000 the S&P, something like that. I'm not going to buy too much at the moment. Not buying too much. Just little nibbles. It got rejected from the all-time high. I think we were just bounced off it. Didn't quite make it. This is not what you want. This is why I'm buying defensive. So we want to keep balance. You can see the S&P, Coca-Cola is soaring now. So was I right? Yes, I was right again. Am I making money? Yes, I'm making money again. It's only 12% of my portfolio. We only buy it we only buy it lower now. And the S&P, we want to buy that at 628. And we just keep doing that over and over again. All right, I'm out of here. I might get off before. Anyway, yeah, still same setup on the queues. Carry trade is long overdue. This way, Def Gaming loves this channel. Thank you, Gaming. Thank you so much indeed, mate. I wish you all the very best. All right. Look at that. The S&P dropping down and I'm already down at all. See that? That's an example of lot selling today to improve my position, get more in defensive. I'm virtually green on a day the S&P is down 0.25%. It's not about making money. It's about protecting money. Taking care of your money, then you always win. All right. Listen, folks, I've got to end. I'm way overdue. Casey's about to call in. When she calls in, if she wants to call in, she can say hello to the world. And then I'll end. And then I shall be back later on for my analysis. Average price on XRP is 47 cents. Not too shabby. Very, very nice indeed. That's great. So obviously, Saab, you don't mind if it goes down 80%. You can live with that. You can live through that. However, not a bad idea to keep using those lots to be able to take some profit though. Surely, if you're up so high. The odds of a carry trade are like 95% now. And unlike what idiots say, like we talked about earlier with Jack, what's he called? I'm not going to mention his name anymore. Sensei did a great job exposing it all. XRP isn't going to be a silver knight and save the day and boom. It's bloody rubbish. Anyway, that's it. I'll just give it a second, see if Casey joins me on the live. If she doesn't call me on the live, she obviously doesn't want to. She's maybe in her pajamas. And if she doesn't, then I'll end in 30 seconds. And then I will have I'll have the interview privately anyway. I just didn't know if she wanted to say hello to everybody first. And then I'll see you all later on for the closing bell and all the analysis streams. How do I move all my money on Hood? How do I How do I move all my money on HUD to SGov? Is selling the only way you can transfer it? From one brokerage to another, you don't have to sell. But if you are on the same brokerage, then yes, you need to sell to buy SGov. Yeah. So it's a tax event. You can only do it from another brokerage, transfer out. So what you could do is transfer from one to another. No, you can't. You can't transfer back in and then convert it into SGov. Yeah, if you want to go from the S&P, for example, to SGov, you've got to sell it, even if it's from another exchange, because it's a different stock. You can bring in the same stocks from another brokerage, but you can't actually convert it. You have to sell it. All right. Okay. I've got to go. It doesn't look like Casey wants to be on the live show, and that's fair enough. So if you have 6,000, would you put into VU? So if you have 6,000, well, I've got about 500,000 available to me with my margin, my cash and everything else. I am buying S&P, but I'm not rushing out, am I? I'm buying it steadily, moving in. I'm going into more defensive. I'm building up my Coca-Cola position, as you can see. So there we go. So it's steady, using lots, rebalancing all the time. You've been watching me win all morning. So there you go. Right. Morning, Chad. I think he has HUD stock. You'd have to sell HUD. Yes, you would have to sell HUD to buy SGov. You can't transfer it. Right. Thank you very much for explaining that, Yees. All right. We're out of here. I think Casey's waiting, thinking, no, I'm going to call privately, and that's fine. That's it from me. Thank you much indeed. I'll see you back in a bit. Click on the link. It'll take you to extra. I'm about to buy. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. How do you do? SGov, trade, sell, 10,000. Way. Hiya, Casey, you can hear me. Give me a thumbs up if you wanted to come on the show, or if not, I'll just have you privately afterwards. Did you want to say hello to the audience? Give me a thumbs up if you did. You prefer not, I think. I think so. All right. Okay. That's cool. Casey's in my green room. So I'll be right with you, Casey. I'm just going to do this trade quickly. I think I've missed it anyway. Hang on a minute. 100 shares. Review. Swipe up. There's $10,000. Alrighty. Here we go. The S&P 628 trade buy. Limit order. 628. 10 shares. 628. Okay, I'll do this now. Limit order, extended hours. 628. And there we go. That's a little bit better. So now my average has improved again. I've still got some cash. Yeah, I've got plenty of money. 5 grand, 628. Yeah. That'll improve that. So Coca-Cola is doing great. My average has come down. Right, there we go. I could sit here all day and we keep making money like this, but I've got to go because Casey's waiting for me. All right, guys. Thank you ever so much indeed. See you back in a little while. That's it from me. I'll post on my X and Instagram if I'm doing anything and you can be kept up to date with it. But in the meantime, I'm out of here. Got to go and talk to Casey. Get her on the show as soon as possible. Don't you need her now, eh? Crypto investors. All right, that's it from me. I'll see you all back in a bit and we'll keep seeing if we can buy some more. Wonderful. All right, the link's on the at the top for the extra channel, or it'll take you there automatically. If you go on the extra channel, you can see me behind the scenes. You can watch the show from earlier, but you can see what I'm doing as well. All right, that's it from me. Take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.